In this question, we're given a diagram which shows a prism. The cross-section of the prism is a right-angled triangle, and the base of the triangle has a length 5 centimeters. We're told that the prism has a length of 25 centimeters, and that the prism has a volume of 750 centimeters cubed. We need to work out the height of the prism. Let's start by using our diagram to identify which length is the height. We can see that the height of the prism is this vertical length over here. Now, in order to work out the heights, we can work out the cross-sectional area of the prism. And we can use our diagram to help us. We know that the prism has a volume of 750 centimeters cubed. To work out the volume of the prism, we'd have to work out the cross-sectional area and then multiply this by the length of 25 centimeters. And in order to work out the cross-sectional area, we need the height of the prism. Now, since we know that the volume of the prism is equal to the cross-sectional area is equal to the cross-sectional area multiplied by the length, we can say that the cross-sectional area is equal to the volume divided by the length. The volume divided by the length is equal to 750 divided by 25, which is equal to 30 centimeters squared. And so the cross-sectional area, which is the area of the shaded triangle, is equal to 30 centimeters squared. We can use this area in order to find the heights. The cross-sectional area is in the shape of this right-angled triangle, and so we know that the area of this triangle is equal to 30 centimeters squared. We know that the formula for the area of a triangle is equal to the base multiplied by the heights, all divided by 2. We can substitute in the values that we know. We know that the area is equal to 30, and the base is equal to 5. And so we can say that 30 is equal to 5 multiplied by the heights, all divided by 2. Now, in order to go about finding the heights, we can start by multiplying both the left-hand side and the right-hand side by 2 in order to get rid of the fraction. 30 multiplied by 2 is equal to 60, and 5 times heights, all divided by 2, multiplied by 2 would be equal to 5 times heights. And now to find the height on its own, we can divide both the left-hand side and the right-hand side by 5. 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12, and 5 times heights divided by 5 is equal to the heights. And so we've found that the height of the prism is equal to 12 centimeters. Now this question is worth 3 marks. We get the first mark for saying that the cross-sectional area is equal to 30 centimeters squared. We get the second mark for a complete process to find the heights. And we get the third and final mark for the correct answer that the height is equal to 12 centimeters, allowing us to get the full 3 marks needed in this question.